Welcome, here I've got Realme X50 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here. So let me try to use them now and see how it works. And as you can see now, by tapping on this I can easily take a picture. So to change its function we have to move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and it gives us access to 3 other buttons. For now we are interested in this one from the right. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and at the first place in the general settings here we have the volume button function. So by tapping on this we can change it. We can pick from volume, shutter or zoom. So for now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera and try to use these buttons again. And now by using this I can easily get closer to my subject, so I can zoom and also go back. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.